Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to use Snapseed Selective tool. This selective tool in Snapseed is super handy when you want to edit only certain parts of your photo, like brightening just a face or making the sky bluer. So here's a step-by-step to do this. First is to launch the Snapseed app on your mobile device. Import your photo. Tap the plus or open button. Tap to choose the photo you want to edit to. Go to Tools. At the bottom, tap Tools to open editing options. Choose the Selective tool. Tap Selective, looks like a circle with a dot inside. Add a control point. Tap on the area of the photo you want to edit. For example, the face, sky, clothing, etc. A blue control point will appear. Adjust the area of influence. Pinch two fingers in or out on the control point to expand or shrink the area it affects. Choose what to adjust. Swipe up or down to switch between brightness, contrast, saturation, or structure. Adjust the values. Once you select a setting, swipe left or right to decrease or increase its intensity. Add more control points. Tap the plus button, then tap on other areas of the photo to add more control points. Each point can be edited independently. Fine-tune each point. Tap and hold on a point to select it. Adjust its area by dragging it and adjust its settings like darkening it until it looks right. Check before and after. Press and hold the eye icon on the top right to see the original versus edited photo. Apply the changes. Tap the check mark at the bottom right to confirm. Save your edited photo. Tap export, then choose save, save a copy, or export to keep your edited version. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.